Hey Cruncy Clean friends, here is how you remove the hard water stain off of a toilet, or if you have a really greasy, grimy oven. A pumice stone, also known as a scouring stick. I can never say it right, so I'll stick with pumice stone. Pumice stones are actually made from lava, so it's a natural product. And this one has a handle, which I really love because like that I'm not immersing my hand into the toilet. Here's the trick with a pumice stone. You have to keep it wet. Wet, 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 wet. You have to keep it wet to prevent scratching. Now, if you're using it in a toilet, obviously get it wet. First, clean the toilet, flush the toilet, clean it first. So, you have clean water. Wet the pumice stone. What it does is it will remove the calcium deposits or any grease or grime. And as the pumice stone is doing its thing, it will actually start to break down and disappear. It'll break down into the little particles of stone, of lava that it's formed. And then you just flush it away, or it just gets washed away. So you'll see your pumice stone get shorter and shorter the more you use it. That's totally normal. Again, you have to keep it wet. If you're using it to clean an oven, I like to put water in a cup and just douse it in there. But I also spray down the oven with my cleaner so like that it's nice and saturated and wet. And then keep the pumice stone wet. You have to keep it wet to prevent scratching. So it's great to be used on ovens. So in the oven and in the toilet is the great place that you can use the pumice stone. But again, you have to keep it wet. Use my link down below to grab it. And if you have any questions, leave them down below and let me know how much you like the pumice stone.